Welcome to this particular video. I was just doing this and I thought to share with you on the amazing benefits of taking cooked or boiled groundnuts. Amazing benefits. Okay, you can come share some with me. If you love groundnuts, drop in the comment box and let me know if you do. On a personal note, one of the things I discovered about this particular snack, yes, it's a snack, it's a form of snack, in this our fast-paced world where there are a lot of junks out there, a lot of fried foods, a lot of flour-based foods, we also have the options of healthy foods, including fruits and nuts. You may actually prefer them as roasted, talking about groundnuts or peanuts. Some prefer them cooked this way, but in this video I want to tell you about the amazing benefits of eating cooked or boiled groundnuts. I was so happy to see that it's in season. Initially I thought it was out of season at a point, so I've been taking time to get some for myself. My children love them. My wife also loves this. I'll be talking to you about the 10 health benefits of taking or eating cooked groundnuts. You need to watch to the end because the last 3 benefits will surprise you. Stating groundnuts are a type of legumes. They are found and grown in over 100 countries in the world. If you are watching this video from any part of the world, let me know in the comment box. Let me know if you have these fruits available in your country. Now, they are very high source of protein and low fat. They are not just delicious, they are also nutritious, and definitely they are tasty. If you haven't tried them before, except you have allergies to nuts, you should try some cooked groundnuts. Okay, so what about the amazing benefits? These 10 amazing benefits are things that you should know, so that will encourage you to snack more on this healthy snack rather than taking the fries, the junks, and unhealthy diets. So apart from being tasty and nutritious, they are also a good source of energy. So the 10 proven health benefits of consuming groundnuts are: first up, they are good for supporting heart health. They help to improve and lower bad cholesterol and improve your lipid profile because they are actually high source of monosaturated and polysaturated fatty acids. They help lower your cholesterol and also help in lowering high blood pressure. So they help to reduce the risk of heart disease. The second benefit is that they are an excellent source of vitamin E. So they help in preventing cell damage. They actually help to repair the cells and prevent aging. So when you take groundnuts regularly, you will likely have your skin appear better when you take groundnuts. Yes, my son just asked, do you like groundnuts? Some groundnuts. They will even help your skin. They help to improve the appearance of your skin. Daniel wants some groundnuts. Alright. Here, Daniel. Hello. Hello. Okay, once more. All right, thank you, Daniel. The third benefit is that they help in supporting digestive health. They actually contain fibers which help in good bowel movements, so you have reduced risk of constipation. They are a healthy source of gut bacteria and good gut health. I think I want to have some groundnuts myself before I give you the next points. Just a minute. I hope I won't take so much time eating this than I will do talking. Okay, but the fact is that this particular type of snack tastes so good. Now, if you have ever eaten groundnuts or peanuts before, especially these boiled groundnuts, then you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so let me see those who are like me in the comment box. Okay, if you are like me, drop a comment. Let's know how tasty, how delicious this is. My children will say yummy. It's yummy. Groundnuts also have anti-inflammatory properties, so it is good for those who have conditions that have basically inflammatory causes like arthritis, inflammatory bowel diseases. So they help to alleviate symptoms and improve overall health. So if you know someone that's suffering from any of these conditions, you may help them to know that groundnuts are helpful, so you can share this with them. Groundnuts also help in supporting bone health. They are sources of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. So they help to strengthen the bones and help you to avoid the risk of osteoporosis, especially in women. Groundnuts are also high in healthy fats. They are a source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are good not just for heart health. They can also help to reduce risk of depression, anxiety, and even ADHD, that is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. They help to improve your mood. Seventh on the list, the ability to support immune function. They are a high source of antioxidants, and with their high source of vitamin E, they help to boost the immune system and prevent risk of illness. Now, on the last three benefits, last but not the least, groundnuts have anti-cancer properties. So they are a good source of addition to cancer-fighting diets. The antioxidative effects and vitamin E present in groundnuts are helpful in fighting those dangerous cells, helping to limit their growth. This is a good one for those who are diabetic or pre-diabetic. Groundnuts help to regulate blood sugar. They help to regulate blood sugar. The fibers and fats, healthy fats in groundnuts help to slowly release sugar into the bloodstream. So they help to reduce the risk of spikes in blood sugar levels. So if you are a non-diabetic, this does not rule out the need to follow your doctor's prescriptions or plan for management. Groundnuts will help you to also do well on your blood sugar control. And finally, the 10th benefit of taking cooked groundnuts or peanuts is their ability to support cognitive function. Their antioxidative property helps in reducing oxidative stress and helps to improve concentration, focus, and even memory. So whether it's for a child, whether it's for a middle-aged person, older adults, or elderly, we all can benefit from taking cooked groundnuts. Now, talking about groundnuts or peanuts, on a personal note, I actually discovered that it seems that you need to take a lot of this to get filled. The rest of this to get filled. Let me know in the comment section if you are like me and you take this and you find out that no matter how much you have taken, you still want to take more. So those are the 10 amazing benefits for the purpose of this video. Why don't you drop a comment and let me know what you think about cooked groundnuts in the comment box. I think I should have some more groundnuts. Intelligent Daniel. I'm done with the 4 points. Just Do you know there are a number of things that people do? You may be doing, even myself may be doing, talking about what we eat, talking about what we put on our bodies, talking about our habits that we do not know the benefits or even the disadvantages of getting involved in such. Interestingly, they have been found to also help in reducing the risk of gallstones, development of gallstones. This is health, wellness, and lifestyle. If you are a health enthusiast, then remember